Hi! In front of me is Motorola G14 and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. First of all, you need to hold your search bar and wait for remove option to show up. When it does, you need to drag your search bar on top of it. And when you see the search bar is turning see-through, let go. As you can see, after that, my Google search bar was successfully removed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!